Top 5 Best Portable Ice Makers for RV on number 5. NewAir Portable Ice Maker. If you have a large family or tend to host guests at the campground, the NewAir Portable Ice Maker is an excellent choice if you need large quantities of ice. This unit is capable of producing up to an impressive 50 pounds of bullet ice per day. In as little as 7 minutes the first 12 cubes are made, and the best part is you have 3 size options for your ice cubes. The easy-to-use integrated control panel features an 18-hour timer to schedule your ice making, and it lights up to let you know when it's time to fill the reservoir. Some other notable features of this model include automatic shutoff, overflow protection, and a convenient self-cleaning function. Coming in number 4. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. If you're a fan of crunchy, chewable, nugget ice, you will love the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. This portable ice maker produces ice that is made from compressed flakes, which gives you that almost addictive ice that many campers love to crunch. This high-quality ice-making appliance makes a pound of ice every hour, and the storage bin holds a whopping 3 pounds of ice, so you can always have a huge batch ready when you need it. One of the most notable features of this unit is its ability to recirculate the melted ice back to the water reservoir. In addition, this ice maker has a 1-gallon water tank add-on that allows for more time between refills. If there is available Wi-Fi, you can pair the GE Profile Ice Machine with your smartphone to allow you to operate it remotely, check the ice bucket level, and check to see if it's time to add more water. Since this is one of the larger choices on our list, you will want to make sure you have enough room in your RV before making a purchase. In addition, although it is a portable ice maker, you won't be wanting to carry it around like the other lightweight options in this list. Coming in number 3. hOmeLabs Portable Ice Machine. For RV owners on a budget, the hOmeLabs Portable Ice Machine is a great option. This model can produce up to 26 pounds of pill-shaped ice per day and begins churning out ice in as little as 8 minutes. Its compact and lightweight design make it a perfect countertop appliance for any RV or camper. This portable ice maker features warning lights that let you know when the ice basket is full or when the water reservoir needs to be refilled. In addition, this model also features an auto shutoff function and a recirculation function that reuses the melted ice for better efficiency. Coming in number 2. Magic Chef 27 pounds Portable Ice Maker. The Magic Chef Portable Ice Maker is lightweight, compact, and can produce up to 27 pounds of ice per day. It is the perfect choice for keeping your drinks cold through the day or for topping off the ice chest. In as little as 7 minutes, this unit begins producing bullet-type ice cubes while giving you the choice between large cubes and small cubes. This ice maker also comes with a handy ice scoop and a removable basket for added convenience. This unit also features an easy-to-use control panel that lets you know when the ice bin is full and when you need to add water. In addition, the drain plug is conveniently located on the bottom of the unit, so it's super easy to drain. Coming in number 1. Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Portable Ice Maker. Igloo combines sleek styling and ultimate portability with the Igloo Premium Self-Cleaning Portable Ice Maker. This appliance is capable of producing up to 26 pounds of bullet-type ice per day and starts churning out ice cubes in as little as 7 minutes. The integrated handle and the clear viewing window are just 2 of the features that put this portable ice maker at the top of our list. The LED-lighted control panel allows you to choose whether you want large or small ice cubes, lets you know when to add water, and lets you know when the ice basket is full. Not only will this portable ice maker make a terrific addition to your RV or camper, but it is also easy to keep clean with the removable drain plug and 5-cycle automatic cleaning function. And since this ice machine is available in many colors, you should have no trouble finding the right one to fit your RV kitchen.